Hi, and welcome to your Milady U licensing prep tutorial video. This video is going to break down the different components of Milady U, show you how to use them, and how to best utilize your time to study so that you can take and pass the PSI or PCS exam. Logging in. When you log in, you can do so from a desktop computer, tablet, or smartphone. I would suggest actually logging in while you're watching this video and then pausing the video as you go step by step. So let's get started. Go online and type cengedge.com/student-access-code into the address bar of your web browser. Enter your access code here. Your access code is unique to you only and will be given to you by your instructor. The access code you were provided gives you access to the Milady U online Standard Aesthetics Fundamentals Licensing Preparation. You will want to click on the Launch Course button here. Welcome to your #1 source for online aesthetics licensing preparation. You'll receive 1-year access to this state-of-the-art database of information that can dramatically improve your success towards achieving your state license. All states reference Milady's standard textbooks in developing their state board exams, and the questions contained in this online licensing preparation correspond to material covered in the Milady's Standard Aesthetic Fundamentals. Here's an overview of Milady U and what this tool can do for you. Milady's online licensing preparation courses are all created to offer you a fast and convenient way to prepare for your state licensing exams. The questions presented in this online licensing preparation course are typical of questions that you may see on your actual licensing test, but they're not the exact questions from the exam. Using this course, however, should help you become more familiar with the content covered on the exam. Remember, you have unlimited access to the course for 1 year and can return as often as you like to test your skills and knowledge. Just sign in and take any of the reviews or tests compiled from a bank of more than 1,000 multiple choice questions from the Milady U database. It offers both review and chapter tests, as well as a comprehensive exam of 100 questions, randomized each time you take it, to test your overall knowledge. This tool should be easy to use and provides you with your test results with a click of a button. It also provides both correct and incorrect answer rationales. It even stores information on your last 5 tests so you can track your progress. The test section consists of 3 main test types: chapter reviews, chapter tests, and comprehensive tests. The first step to preparing for your exam is taking chapter reviews. Here you can review questions based on selecting topic chapters of the course. You will view your correct and incorrect answers as well as supporting text content as you proceed through the questions. The questions and answers are randomized, so the chapter questions are not always in the same order. Once you select your answer, you will immediately see if your selection is correct and the rationale as to why. Once you complete a chapter review, you will receive information on how many questions you answered correctly, as well as a grade for the review. You will also have the option for reviewing or printing the questions and answers from your chapter review. You may take these reviews as often as you wish, with the last 5 chapter reviews being recorded in your reports. Now that you've mastered the chapter reviews, it's time to take the test. Here you can take a simulated test based on selecting topic chapters of the course. You will proceed through the questions and see your score and answers at the end of the test. The questions and answers are randomized, so chapter questions are not always in the same order. All chapter reviews and tests are 10 questions per chapter. You can begin a review or test and opt to finish at a later time. And if you do so, your work will be saved. While you're taking the chapter test, you can skip questions you are unsure of. By selecting the question map, you will see which questions are incomplete before finishing your test. Once you complete a test, you will receive information on how many questions you answered correctly, as well as a grade for the test. You will also have the option for reviewing or printing the questions and answers from your chapter test. Viewing your test results allows you to view the rationale for the correct answer. You can take these reviews as often as you wish, with the last 5 chapter tests being recorded in your reports. If you don't finish a test during one session, you'll be asked if you wish to continue the previous test or begin a new test when you attempt to start the same chapter test. Comprehensive tests. A comprehensive test consisting of 100 questions is randomly selected from all chapters. You will proceed through the questions and see your score and answers at the end of the test. The questions and answers are randomized, so you shouldn't see the same test twice, although some of the questions may be the same. And remember, you can take these tests as often as you wish. These comprehensive tests have the same options as the chapter tests. You can skip questions and select the question map to view incomplete questions. You can also choose to start a test and finish it at a later time. If you don't finish a comprehensive test during one session, you'll be asked if you wish to continue the previous test or begin a new test when you attempt to start a comprehensive test. Performance reports. How are you shaping up for your state exam? The report section will display up to the last 5 review scores you received. Chapter review reports. This report shows chapter review scores and includes review dates, the number of questions answered correctly out of the total number of questions, and the grade, which will show up as the % correct. This chapter review report will allow you to view or print the last 5 chapter reviews taken. Chapter test report. The chapter test report shows chapter test scores and includes test date, the number of questions answered correctly out of the total number of questions, and the grade, which will show up as the % correct. Now, this chapter test report will allow you to view or print the last 5 chapter tests that you took. Comprehensive test report. This report shows comprehensive test scores and includes test date, the number of questions answered correctly out of the total number of questions, and the grade, which will show up as the % correct. Comprehensive test detailed report. The comprehensive test detail report recreates the comprehensive test, allowing you to view all the questions, answers, answer rationale, and supporting content from the text. Comprehensive test summary report. Now, this report provides information to build a learning plan for further study based on the comprehensive test performance. Up to 5 tests are included in average. Recommended areas for further study are based on averages below 70% and are highlighted in red. Tools and resources. Tools and resources are listed on the left-hand navigation and provide useful tools and information for you. One helpful tool you'll find is the glossary. The glossary provides a searchable list of aesthetics terms and definitions for your review. Most terms include audio, related terms, and abbreviations. Resources, test tips, and frequently asked questions. Test tips provide helpful study and test-taking tips. while frequently asked questions contain answers to frequently asked questions about the course. Course survey. After completing the course, you may wish to provide feedback about your experience by clicking on the course survey button. Your feedback will continue to help Milady U develop more useful courses and products. All responses are anonymous. By utilizing Milady U in this way, it has been shown that it has produced the best results. Thousands of your peers have used Milady U to reinforce the key concepts and theories learned in their skincare education classes. Use these resources to help you better prepare for licensing success. And remember, it only takes one person to change your life. You. Congratulations and best of luck.